Hi guys, uh, this is an watch chat. This is my Steeldive 1996. Today I came across a problem like it's not getting screwed in. Like however much you screwed the crown popping out, it's not threading in. So I contacted the Steeldive and unfortunately it seems like they only have the crown and the stem for you to buy extra. So there's a problem. Still don't know. The threading problem is uh, with the crown or the crown tube. So Steeldive doesn't have the crown tube for this particular model. They only have the crown, it seems. So I don't know if, even if I buy the crown, it's gonna fix the particular problem. So what I thought, try something different and see if it works out to solve this threading problem. So what I'm thinking of is there's something called this. This is called a thread seal. Normally this has been used to fix taps and all plumbing work. So this is a DIY work. I'm trying to fix this, trying to see if this fix the issue of getting this to thread in. So let's jump in and try it out whether it works. Take a small piece of it. I need to put too much. Take something like this. Try to wrap it around tube. No gloves for today's work. It's difficult to do with the gloves. I have taken my gloves off. There. It may work, it may not work, but it's always worth a try. I have beaten this watch to death. That's why it's showing so much wear and tear. So no issue with Steeldive brand or something like that. Steeldive has served me really well. Yes, we need to get it properly threaded. I'm not taking the crown out yet. Let's see if we can do it like this. Otherwise, we need to take the crown out. No, I hope it works. I'm trying my level best to show you if it threads. Yeah. I hope it's gonna work. I can see some improvement in the threading. It's always worth giving it a try. If it works, good. Doesn't? Yes, it does. See? Okay, whatever it is, let's have a quick twist check. This is my Proxima 62 mAh Homage in Kansai bronze. I really love this watch. Look at that patina. Everything natural, nothing has been forced. Beautiful piece. I'll leave a review of this as well in the future. Okay, let's back to the topic. It seems like it has got a real good thread now. See, it's not coming out. Not coming out. Let's see the functions. Yes. First click, it hacks us. Now we have to see if the date changes. Yes, it works. It again, it threads back. No issues whatsoever. As cool as that. It threads back perfectly. I don't see any gaps. I absolutely don't see any gaps at all. It's really threaded well. This watch has served me so well. I really love this design. I think it's a perfect fit. Alright, if you want, let us quickly give it a waterproof check. I don't have a swimming pool or I never gonna dive with this. I'll put it on my stock tank and try. Before you do a water test, it's always worth take the moment out. I really thought of doing it in a different video, how to take the case back and all. I'll do it in a different video in a detailed manner. I don't want to push everything into one video. And so let's take the crown out. You have a small gadget down here. You need to push that. Give it very slight pressure because everything about these watches are very fragile. Okay, that's come out. Later on, I will give it a real proper threading and all. For this video purpose, I'm doing it like this. Let's take the moment out. Okay, the moment is out. What am I going to do is put back the case back and also thread it in and put it in the water and see if it passes the water test. Protect this. Keep the moment in this timing. Protect it. Alright, the back is tightened, so water not gonna get from the backside, only from the front it gets in. Alright, it's threaded and secured. Now we need to put this in the water and see if water gets into this. Otherwise, a job well done at home itself. I'm gonna put the watch in my stock tank. That is the only way to check it right now. This is pretty much like 4 to 5 feet depth, I guess. So it is easy for me to gather it back. I'll keep it for some time, like half an hour or so. Then we'll come back and check it out. Alright guys, it's been half an hour since we have put the watch down. Let's see how it has performed. I don't see any water inside. Let's quickly give it a wipe and see. No water inside. Not from the crown. So for me, it's safe. Obviously, don't go and dive with it. I'm never gonna dive with it. I'm gonna use it in the pool or in the river or even in the sea, but not diving. So far so good. I think it's safe enough for the moment to go back in. A nice threading, no gap at all. I guess it's a job well done at home. If anyone faces this kind of problem, I hope this video is gonna be very helpful for you all. Let's quickly put everything back to place. Let's give a quick wipe. Make sure no dust inside the case. Also the dial. This is the most difficult and important part when you put the dial back. Alright, let's see if the alignment is right. Get the alignments right and then put the crown back. Let's see if the crown threads. I think it's perfectly threaded. So put the case back, screw it in, and I think that's a job well done. Everything functional, the crown works perfectly, and it's a perfectly threaded crown. It's a DIY hack at home. Just use this thread seal to fix the crown.